honesty, courage, dedication, confidence. But there is no physical report card of that. We can't sign it, you cannot see it. But in the long term, this report card will be the result of your entire schooling.
Also extend this honor to our respected Deputy CEO, Sir, Mr. Kunal Rao. Sir, your dynamic leadership and progressive outlook continue to propel our institution forward. We respectfully invite you to share your words of guidance and address the gathering.
Good evening, everyone. This is my first time here. So I will start with, first of all, respected CEO, sir, all the dignitaries from Japan, principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, wing heads, teachers, and everybody. You know, when I first saw these two performances, I saw the hard work, the dedication of all the teachers. So first of all, let us take a huge round of applause for teachers. To all the teachers who are listening to me and who are not listening to me, you are the heartbeat of RPS. Without you, there is nothing, we can do nothing. We are paralyzed. So thank you so much. And now, parents. It is my first time interaction with the parents in totality of all the RPS branches I have visited. You will see your kids perform today. You will see their costumes, you will see their dialogues. But maybe after a week or max to max next month, you are going to forget those. But you know what you will remember? But those kids who are performing here, they will remember your clappings. They will remember teacher's smile. They will remember principal ma'am's encouragement. And the best of all, they will remember the RPS. Because if I can recall, when I was in 8th class, I remember my maths teacher. His name was Samsher Shuran sir. 8th grade में क्या हुआ कि I got 12th rank. There used to be 3 terms, like first term, second term, and final term. So in second term I got 12th rank. Final term में आते आते मेरी 3rd पोजीशन आ गई. तो शमशेर सर ने पूरी क्लास के आगे मेरे लिए क्लैपिंग बजाई और आज तक मुझे वो याद है कि उन्होंने किस तरह से क्लैपिंग करी थी. तो पेरेंट्स और देयर इज दिस कनेक्शन, पेरेंट्स एंड स्कूल इज लाइक 2 hands of a person, है ना, 2 hands of a single person कि दोनों का जब हाथ लगता है तो बच्चे ऊपर उठते हैं. So this is a very pious connection, and as we have already seen the parents partnership program also. This entire enigma of parents being involved with teachers is a very special. We sometimes tell our children कि exams में अच्छा perform करना है, you have to be rank 1 or rank this, you have to get gold medal. But the life of your children is not a race, okay? So it's like a story that we need to write together. और मैंने I think कहीं पढ़ा था कि पता नहीं मूवी में देखा था या कोई पढ़ा था कि सफर खूबसूरत है मंजिल से भी, ऐसा कुछ था कि तो हमें उनका सफर खूबसूरत बनाना है, मंजिल अपने आप खूबसूरत दिखेगी. So, and you get these report cards. Report card मिलते होंगे ना? You get marks in English, Hindi, Maths, SST, rank आता होगा. तो there is also a invisible report card of your kids. और invisible report cards में पता है क्या क्या subjects होते हैं? Honesty, courage, dedication, confidence. but there is no physical report card of that. We can't sign it, you cannot see it. But in the long term, this report card will be the result of your entire schooling. And I want you to be a part of it, to help us, because I really want कि 15 years down the line, 20 years down the line, आप ये सोचे कि RPS was the best decision of our life. कि हमने RPS में करा के बहुत अच्छा decision लिया. Now, I want to thank one more personality, and that is our principal, Mrs. Kiran Yadav. Ma'am, you are the spine of the school. And मैं ज़्यादा नहीं बोलूँगा, ये बोलूँगा कि you are the best thing ever happened to Rosewood. Best thing. And Neena ma'am, because of you, this building breathes. This building feels like home. Thank you so much. Everyone have a great evening. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your visionary and invigorating